All right, so we're wanting to put a Spry Accordion widget in the tips page. Let's open tips. I'm on page 280 in lesson 10. And what I want to do is I want to make one column, not two columns. So we have to go back to the way I had it before. I want to put that Spry Accordion right here. Spry Accordion. So we know what we're going to be putting there, right? And I want to get rid of these two columns. Let's go to code mode. We added the body content left, right? Correct? Delete that, and then delete that closing div for that. That would be here. Then delete the body content right div that we made, and delete that div, that closing div. So now there should be no divs there. It should be in a div called main content, right? So we know we're not screwing up. Let's go to design mode. All right, cool. Let's preview in Chrome. Yes, let's save it. It works. Good. Excellent. All right, so in Dreamweaver, I'm working in CC, but I am teaching from CS6 because some of the students might only have CS6 or they might have CC, whatever. So anyway, when I was trying to put the Spry Accordion together with the CC book in CS6, it wasn't working. It wasn't. So I went to YouTube, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one down, how to create Jquery accordion bar with Adobe Dreamweaver CC. This video shows you how to insert the accordion. It's really simple, and we're going to do it. The hard part is making this look good because there's some JavaScript we got to play with, and it's a CC JavaScript, so we know CSS. Here we go. So I click here in Spry Accordion. I'm going to get rid of this right here. Delete. And I'm going to go insert Jquery UI accordion. Don't be scared for that Jquery. It's going to make all this code for you. Click on accordion. Okay. And mine didn't pop up. Where is all my JS here? There we go. These are all the files associated with this thing. It's ridiculous. Let's go to design mode again, and let's preview in Chrome. Okay, this is where when you save it. This page uses an object or behavior that requires support files. The following files have been copied to your local site. You must upload them to your server in order for the object or behavior to function correctly. And this is all of the stuff that it's using. Okay, so like a diagonals, thick 26, 4 by 40 by 40 PNG. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Click OK. And this is what happens with your accordion. It does what it told you. When you press on 2, section 2, it opens it up. Section 3 opens it up. Section 1 opens it up. There we go. So we could put in here at home, copy, paste, and then put our bulleted list in there. Copy content 1, paste it in there. Press backspace for that extra space down there. Then click on 2. Did you see I clicked on the eye over here? I'm going to click on the eye. Click to show panel content. Click on that and it shows the content. Click on section 2. Click on the eye. Section 2, I'm going to get rid of at home here. And I'm going to click at work. Section 2, paste. So what happened there? I'm just going to write it at work. Seems a little touchy. Let's get this one, copy it, go into content 2, paste. Good. Section 3. Let's go to in the community. Paste it in the community. And then in the community, let's take that, copy, and paste. I'm doing with my fingers Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. It's so much quicker than right clicking and pasting because you're working with the buttons. And if you right click, it takes a while for this to pop up sometimes when your computer is thinking. I don't like my computer to think too much. I just like to do it for it sometimes. So press delete and backspace. And now we have our 3 accordions. Let's preview in Chrome. Yes. Okay, cool. We have at work. We have at home, at work, in the community, and function accordion. Don't know what that is. I have to get rid of that. But you'll notice that at home, see that image right there? It doesn't go all the way down. We might have to figure out where that image is and get rid of it because it is disrupting the look. Because this is kind of cool, right? At work, in the community, we got to find out how to get rid of this extra space underneath each one too, right? But it does look cool. Do you see how that like pushed down, like the words push down? It's kind of cool. Function accordion. Let's see where that is. I'm gonna highlight all this stuff. Go to code mode. We have H3 div closes, UL opens, UL closes. We can get rid of this p tag. Div closes, H3 opens, div opens, OL. Get rid of this p tag here. Div opens, OL. Get rid of the p tag. And here's my JavaScript down here. I'm going to take this and get it out of that div. Bring it over here. Hopefully that will work. Let me see. I'm going to come on to the top. And we have a div accordion. This div right here is closed right here. That's why I wanted to get the script out of that spot right there. Okay, let's go to design mode. Let's preview it in Chrome. Ah, good, it's gone. At work, in the community, still have that extra space down there. Don't know what is going on there, but there's some extra space at the top up here like this. It's probably because of the ULs and the OLs inside the div, giving it that extra space, which is a bummer. But let's go to the next part, the coloring. Come on, temperamental. CSS Designer. These are all the pages that are associated with the accordion. Now, I was looking through some of these. They're up here. Yeah. What I was doing is I'm looking for, this looks like CSS, doesn't it? Display, none. This is Jquery. I'm not big on Jquery. It's new to me. I'm assuming that J means JavaScript. But looking at this, we have a class, and then we have a property and a value. So what I'm looking for is values. I'm looking for color numbers or a color name. I'm looking for hashtags and color names, like this right here, number. But that's got a minus in front of it. I know that's not a color. I know that's a position. So that's not cool. If we have a number, we need to have a hashtag before it. So I'm looking for yellow, and I'm looking for a number and a hashtag. So let's go to the next one. Let's go through here. Oh, hashtag with number colors. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Orange, look at that. When I hovered over it, it gave me that orange. Look at that orange right there. This looks like the page that we probably want. Let's look at the other ones though. Let's look at this one. No, not in here. Excuse me. I don't even see any yellow in this one, and there's too much information. Oh my god, kill me. In this one, there's no yellow either. Let's keep going to style sheet. We already know that that doesn't have it because this is a regular style sheet. So let's go back to that second. This is this one right here. Let's click on it, and let's hover over this one. There we go, orange. Let's go to design mode. Okay, we know the orange. Let's click on this one right here. Let's go to design, and this one is theme min CSS. Theme, there we go, theme, it's a theme. Let's go through each one of these. Now what I did over here on the top right is I want to show the set. This is interesting. If you press on that little show only the set properties for each class. I'm going to click on that, and this one doesn't have any color in it. Let's click the next one, no color. Next one, next one. Oh, I see color. Number 33. That probably is the color of the words here, so I don't care about that. There's a border, 1 pixel solid, color DDD. Okay, cool. All right, I know that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Color 333. Widget content. The header is orange. That's this one right here. At home. Let's change the color of it to green. Let's see what happens. Eyedropper. Click on this green here and press enter. Didn't work. Didn't happen. Must be something else. That is widget header. Let's keep going. Color FFF. That's the background probably. No, that's the color of the letter of the words, but we're not. I don't see any white colors on. Color for text blue. Default widget. Let's keep going until we see oranges. Oh, here we go. Let me click on this color. This is the color of text. Click on that, and let's click on the eyedropper. Click on the green. Press enter. I don't know if that worked or not. Color here. That's a border. That looks like that would be this border right here. I don't know if we're batting 0 or not. Let's click on another green. Let's click on this green up here. Press enter. Let's preview. Let's see if anything's worked. Might not be showing in the actual. The blue. Oh, okay. Oh, the green worked when I hover over it. Okay, so some of it is working. All right, and that blue is the initial color when it's in its static state. This is in its active state because it's open. All right, so it's working a little bit. Let's go to the next one. Color. Let's do that green over here again. Press enter. Did it get anything? I don't know. Let's preview it. There's going to be a lot of trial and error here, people. Oh, it did work. When I hovered over it, it's not orange anymore. It's green. The word. So it did work. Okay, let's keep going. Text color. Eyedropper. Green. Enter. Color for border. Let's go with this light green up here. Press enter. Oh, it worked on this one right here. That's that one. Let's go to the next one. Color. Eyedropper for the words. Click that. Enter. Ah, it did it. There you go. That was UI state active. UI state active. A link. That's Google it at home. Beautiful. Now we got to make these blue ones green, or we could leave them blue. I don't know. I want to make them green. We'll just. This is tough stuff, right? No, this one's inactive. You don't want blue because it doesn't match with everything. It looks cool. It's like blue and that gray gives it that futuristic look, and it looks cool, but it doesn't go with the site. Got to go with what goes with the site, right? Let's go to the next one. Color is black. Let's leave black. Color orange. Let's make it green. That green up here, a light green. Press enter. Let's go to the next one. Dark color, that's fine. Man, there's a lot of them here. Playing around. Color. I don't know what that magenta look. Let's get a light green, or even, I don't know, a darker green. Let's go with that percenter. I don't know. I'm just playing around. Ooh, gradients. Ah. I have to get rid of that. Background. Image. This is the widget content. This is the background. Let's not get rid of the JPEG yet. Let's go to background color. Let's put in a color. Unshow set. Click on background. Click on color. And let's do a light green. Like this green up here in the leaf. Press enter. Let's see what happens. Save it. Oh, was that behind the little square? It's interesting. It's a little square. Well, that might not look good, huh? Unless we put that green behind the thing here. So we're, just go through. Oh my God, apparently, oh, son of a, there's a lot going on here. Man. Widget content. Icon. Oh, it's the icon. Let's not do that one. Let's delete that. Okay, so now I deleted that color from that. Say yes. Oh, good. It's gone now. See, it's a lot of trial and error. A lot of trial and error with this. But is it worth it? That's the name of the game right there. Is it worth it? Going through all of these. All right. Do as much as I have done. Save it and upload. Let's go to the flippy flop over here. And take your tips and drag it over here into your Dreamweaver folder. And should independent files, yes, include all independent files because those are all the Jquery assets. Notice I wasn't hooked up to the files, but my files were showing. When I drag and dropped it, it hooked me up to the server that way. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. Let's go back to the website. Oops. Going clickety clackety too much, too quick. Alright, I'm at my website here, and let's click on tips. There we go. There's our green tips at work in the community. There it is. Upload that for homework. And I just want to make sure that you have a couple of green accents in your Spry panel. Okay? Thank you.